This video is about how to crochet a flat circle without a seam. Say bye-bye to chain stitches in the beginning of the row.
And as you can see, you can't tell where is the beginning of the round. The double crochet flat circle will start with magic loop. And for double crochet circle, usually we start with 10 to 12 initial double crochets. You can try which one works best. I will go with 10. To make invisible seam, I will try to replicate the double crochet stitch. In the first round, it will be, you will have to pull out a little bit the bigger loop, and then sort of like making yarn over with this loop, and we just grab the working yarn, twist it around. Now we have two loops, yarn over and pull through both loops. So, and 9 more double crochet in the magic ring. So we have 10 double crochet in the magic ring. You can tie up the magic ring tighter, but because I'm using a paper yarn, I'm afraid to rip it, so I will just leave it like it is. I will show you what to do in the second round. The first round, 10 double crochet. Second round. Do you remember this first stitch we made? Now we take out the crochet hook from the loop and we find the first loop here. We put the crochet hook from back to front under both loops. We grab the loop and pull through. We leave it like it is. Make it nice. Again, we take out our crochet hook and we put through the same loop from front to back. Grab our working yarn, pull through a second loop, make it a little bit longer. Now we have two loops coming, one from the back, one from the front. Now we put our crochet hook into this front loop. We sort of make yarn over with this loop. We grab the back loop, we put the crochet hook in that back loop and twist it back. Now you will have two loops like this and a crochet hook. We make yarn over and there is our, like, how should I call it, fake double crochet. The round number 2, now we will have to increase by 10 stitches. So in this case, in every double crochet there will be 2 double crochets, so increase in every stitch. One we made here, so we have to make another one. So now you will have 2 double crochets here and here. This is our fake, this is our real double crochet. And like this we crochet all over around. 2 double crochet in each stitch, so after round 2 you will end up with 20 double crochet. Last 2 double crochet, 19 and 20. Now we come to join the rounds again. I will show you one more time. Find the first stitch which we made, this fake double crochet stitch. Find the loops and from back to front pull the stitch out. Tighten it up, make it slightly taller, and now go from front to back in the same stitch. Grab the working yarn and pull the loop through. Now we have again 2 loops coming from back and front. Put the crochet hook in the front loop and sort of make a yarn over. Grab this other loop, put the crochet hook in the loop and twist it back. This is how it looks. And yarn over and pull through both loops. This is our fake double crochet in the beginning of the round. And you see there is no join. Now we are row number 3. We need 30 stitches, so it will be 1 increase, 1 double crochet, increase, double crochet. So between increases there will be 1 double crochet. Let's say this will be our 1, and in the next stitch we do an increase, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and following this pattern we finish the row. And if we started here with 1 double crochet here, you always will finish with 2 double crochet. So now the round number 3 we finish off with 2 double crochet in the same stitch. So you should have 10, 20, 30 stitches at the end of the row number 3. If you would start with 12 stitches, accordingly it would be 12, 24, 36. And now we are ready to join our round in seamless way. So remember this first fake double crochet. We find this top both loops, put from back to front the crochet hook, grab our loop and pull out a little bit longer, at the same time closing the hole. And we put from front to back through the same loop, grab our working yarn and pull another loop. Put the crochet hook in the front loop, make sort of a yarn over, grab second loop. See, you can make it, if it doesn't work, pull out this front loop a little bit longer, and then it will be easier. Like this. And yarn over and pull through both loops. The row number 4 will have 2 double crochet between increases. So 1 double crochet, second double crochet, increase, 2 double crochet, increase. So 2 stitches between increases. There is our one. Second, and in the third there will be 2 double crochet in the same stitch. And we continue until end of the round. 2 double crochet, increase, 2 double crochet, increase. As you see the pattern already, row number 4 we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The row number 5 would be 3 double crochet, and then in the fourth will be increase. Now we are at the row number 4, so it's 2 double crochet, 1 increase, 2 double crochet, 1 increase. We are end of row number 4, increase, 2 double crochet, and the last is an increase. So if you count, you would have 40 stitches now. And now we join in the round. As usual, how we do, we find this first fake stitch, put the crochet hook from back to front, grab our loop, pull through, tighten up. Now do the same just on other side. Sort of yarn over, grab the loop from the back and twist it back like this, and yarn over and pull through both loops. And we made another fake double crochet. The round number 5, this will be our final round for our crochet coaster. Row number 5 will be 3 double crochet and increase, 3 double crochet, increase. So we'll have 3 stitches between the increases. Here is 1, 2, 3, and increase in the next one. And in this manner, 3 double crochet, increase, we crochet all around. The end of row number 5, so 3 double crochet and increase. So in row number 5 you should have 50 stitches in double crochet. And we finish off with invisible join. If it does a little bit of curling, that's okay. After blocking, it will be absolutely flat. We can leave it just like this, or I just wanted to add some this extra super simple edging. Let's do that. 3, chain 3, chain 3, skip 1, and in the second single crochet, chain 3, skip 1, in the second make 1 single crochet. Let's do another one. Chain 3, skip 1, single crochet in the next. And this is super easy edge for our crochet coaster. So I almost finished our edging. The last stitch left, chain 3, and again find the middle of the stitch, almost like put the crochet hook through, grab the loop and pull through. Now we can cut the yarn and hide our yarn tail. And as you can see, you can't tell where is the beginning of the round. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, and I see you in my next videos.